What up, guys? How y'all doing today? Welcome back to another episode. So, it is 7 a.m. in the morning. It is cloudy, overcast, no sun. Thank God, no sun. Yeah, we're out here doing a little post-storm fishing. I wanted to do some pre-storm fishing, but I had things I had to do, so I didn't get out there in time. So, I missed that opportunity, and it rained for a few days. 2 days and a half, something like that. Anyways, the rain has finally stopped, so we're out here right now. The water levels are really high. It's a little muddy. We're gonna see if there's any fish biting. Right now, it's nice. It's perfect topwater weather, so we're gonna do a little topwater fishing to start, and then maybe move on with some rattle traps or ain't no telling. We'll see what happens. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this. All right. 7 a.m. and I'm going to work this topwater link, Lunker Hunt link. This is going to be amazing. It looks like shad when they're chasing each other. And that definitely looks like some fish just running around on top. This is going to get munched. It's muddy out here. Oh no, don't get in the grass. There you go. Oh, I thought I grabbed someone's condom. What? Oh, I got one. Got one. Oh, on the link. Oh, okay, this is gonna be dangerous. I'm gonna need some. I'm gonna need pliers. This is way too many hooks. Oh, there he goes, Mom. You better not try to jump in that water. Oh, wow. I said that thing was gonna get munched, and they got munched. Look at that. He's got some head and shoulders on him, but his body is little. That's a 3-pound body, but I bet it weighs like 2. Let's get weight on this guy. Well, I told y'all this thing is gonna get munched. I was looking at my wife because she said look at something, and I totally missed the fish bite. 2.5 pounds, 2.8. Told you that's a 3-pound body. There he goes. Alright, wasn't even here 5 minutes and caught fish. And I wasn't even looking at it either. I think that's the second topwater fish in like a week that I've caught looking away. If I catch one more, I'll pass it back to you. That guy, he didn't blow up on it, he slurped it. Cause I didn't hear no splash, nothing. I just felt my line tight. Look at it, looks just like fish swimming. You know how when we see those shad playing with each other, like they chase each other? That's what it looks like. Oh, and I caught him right here, like right along the bank. What? I see it. Is that fish feeder going off? Oh, let's go over there. I've never seen that before. Dang. Wow, I've never seen that before, ever. What are those? Those catfish? It's not bass, that's for sure. Man, that's why when everyone comes out here, catfish, they always go over there and throw it right there. That's crazy. I've never seen that before. I wasn't even sure that thing even worked. That's pretty cool. Should brought some catfish stuff. Bro, you stepped on it? You stepped on it?
No.
Was it fresh? Was it fresh? Should have came this way in the first place. We haven't traveled on this side in a minute, and we used to catch a lot of topwater fish over here. Alright. Let's stick with topwater too. That sun's high and bright. There's no wind today. That water is like glass. Alright. Got the old trusty Papa. Dang. That was a big one. Right there. Oh, that one. Finally. Thank God. Ah. Finally. You get a good one too. Oh, trusty Papa. Finally. It had to happen. There he is right there. Another good one. On the old popper. Let's get weight on him. Back in the water. Alright, old trusty popper. I told you that was gonna happen. Waiting 2 hours for that bite. I was working that frog all morning and they just wouldn't bite it. I kept watching them like come and investigate. I guess that guy was actually hungry. I'll see that as soon as I catch that fish. Look, there's 2 guys over there fishing it. Alright, yeah, rattle trap time. I'm gonna reel it in fast to try to get over the grass. Yowzers. Let me go for a fast reel. Oh. Here we go, got one. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one's good. Alright. Switch over to rattle trap. Good deal. Okay. 2.4 and 2.5. That guy's a little chunky. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's episode. It is starting to get very hot out here, so I'm gonna call it. I did manage to pull in a few fish, so I'm happy about that. Now this did take over 2 days. I know I started off on a cloudy day, a nice cool day, but unfortunately I had to leave early and didn't get to finish up. So I came back a few days later to finish up, and it got really hot. in those 2 days, so I really would have liked to have spent more time on that day, because I caught that bass so quick, like off of maybe my third cast, and I caught him, so I knew that was a sign of a good day. But unfortunately, things didn't turn out that way, so I came back today and not too shabby. Please make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe for me, and of course hit that notification bell. I've got videos coming out, and fall is just around the corner, so that fall transition is about to pop off. It might already be popping off. It might be why the fish are so actively feeding right now. Anyways, until next time, peace.